Today I want to show you guys this diving tube. I got it. I've been using for a while, and it was lots of fun. I had a lot of fun during the summertime. It just gives you good amount of time to spend in the pool. Maybe you can just go small diving, so that is pretty cool. You can easily just refill it if you have compressor, or if you have pump that you can pump it. So very easy operation. In case you have a compressor like this, you would just connect here, and this adapter would go in this, and this takes up to 30,000, not 30, 3,000. So that is the number on this tank. So we can just plug it in, and once we plug it in, my machine is showing the current reading, current number. So before we fill anything, the bleed valve is closed. Now we can start the filling option right there. It is going to fill, and it's provide a good amount of air within like around 10-15 minutes. This is going to fill, and you can see the numbers. It's there also. It's telling you what is the current number. You can also see from the gauge, it's around 22. So you can easily read. So very easy to read, and you can see this has like 300 bars, and this can pump like 300 bars. So that is a pretty decent amount of air you get. So overall, this performs really well and provides lots of fun time during the summertime. So once you are ready, turn on the bleeding valve. It will take out the air, then you can safely remove your gear. So overall, looks and works really well. You can see, you would just close this. In case you need to just take out some air, you would just press. So the mouthpiece works well. It's just fit in your mouth nice and easy. You can easily grab it. So overall, really cool, nice tank you can easily carry around with you. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.